Hello everyone, welcome to this video series which we call as Democratizing Artificial Intelligence in 3 Steps. I am Dr. Shinu Abi, Director Corporate Training, Reva Academy for Corporate Excellence at Reva University. We get a lot of questions from our prospects. What is AI? How do I get into this field of AI? There are too many jargons, too many tools, too many technologies. Quite intimidating for most of you. So this series, we unravel the mysteries of AI layer by layer, which we call as a 3-step series. We build a series on what are the 3 things you must do to get into this AI. I am in conversation with Dr. J.B. Sima, who is the CTO of Abiba Systems and Chief Mentor at Reva Academy for Corporate Excellence, who has been learning AI, practicing AI for almost 20 plus years. His doctoral studies were in AI. He has implemented large-scale AI systems in multiple domains. And today, Dr. Sima is going to maybe help us to understand which are the best 3 tools for a novice to start the journey of AI that they must master with. So the first question to Dr. Sima is that there are 50 plus tools and quite intimidating. But I am a newbie and I have some background on maybe certain technical aspects. I come from certain domains. I may not have the right programming skills. Where do I begin my journey? What is the first tool that I must master?
Okay. So, to give my advice on what is the first tool you should learn, I would like to take 2 criteria. The first criteria is it must be free. The second criteria should be there must be alternatives and without much learning curve. Taking these 2 criteria, I have selected Excel as the tool everybody has to master, irrespective of whether it is novice coming from programming background or no programming background. They are comfortable with Excel. You have to become comfortable with Excel.
Are you not simplifying AI by saying that I can master AI with Excel? Because I have been doing Excel all through my life, and generally that's the case with most of us.
Oh, yes.
What exactly in Excel that we must master?
So, basically if you look at the AI, the 3 most important functions that we are looking from Excel, the first of this is aggregation, which will be something like what you have already done, sum, average or possibly maximum minimum kind of functions is what we would like to master. The second concept that you have to master is pivot table. Most of the time what happens is if you take a POS data or any other data, it will be straight, it will be large row format, number of rows will be more. So, we would like to aggregate them and pivot them. In such cases, pivoting, which is already available as a simple drag and drop tool, is another thing you have to master. The third thing you have to master is how to replace something. Find and replace is a function we often use irrespective of anything we do. Programmatically if we have to do it takes half an hour, but as a novice you can do it in no time. So, that is why I suggest Excel as the tool you have to master first, and these are the 3 functions: the aggregation, the pivoting and some kind of replacement. If they can master this, they are almost 50% in AI journey. Data comes first even for AI. AI cannot be used without data, and data without Excel I cannot imagine.
So most of these steps what you are talking about in Excel is data pre-processing, or can I do further in modeling in AI, or should I move to another tool?
That is a good question. Actually you can do everything in Excel, but the problem is as I promised, we want it to be no code, because a novice I cannot force him to learn code. That is not a good strategy. The strategy will be without code can he build AI models. So, Excel as of now do not provide good additional tools, because alternatives may not have the additional tools. So, I strongly suggest Orange from the University of Ljubljana. So, that is a good tool which is free as in freedom. So, we have to use that tool to build the models, to visualize, to understand and validate the models. Orange is a better tool.
So if you are talking about the 2 criteria of selection, one that it should be free and the other one,
option should be there.
Option should be there. Yes. Then why Orange? Because there are so many proprietary fancy tools like Orange, like say NIME, Weka or IBM's products. There are so many, including Tableau. Maybe it may not be equally comparable, but why have you chosen Orange?
There are two reasons why I have chosen Orange. The first of this is if you take tools like KNIME and others, the problem with them is they limit your row size to 30,000 records. So, that is not freedom. So freedom should come from, I will use 1 million because Excel gives me possibility to use 1 million records in Excel sheet. Can I use that in, no, I had to pay for them. So that is not valid for the first criteria, the free. The second one is basically intuitiveness. Weka and other tools are good. When it comes to technology algorithms, they are good, but that's not what we are talking about. It must be something which I know already, but 10% more. But if we look at Weka, it is 50% more. That threatens me not to use it. Orange is only about 10% more. Drag and drop this and model is ready. So that is the reason I have chosen. It's personal flavor. At the end of the day, if somebody is comfortable with command line, it's okay, but we are looking at no code. So there should not be any code. That's the reason we have selected Orange as the tool.
That is simplifying a lot of doubts in my mind. Now, do we need a third tool at all? Because we are all able to do a lot of things in Excel. Orange has almost all the features which a machine learning engineer or an AI engineer requires. Do we need, or do you suggest a third tool?
Oh yes, absolutely. The third tool is very much necessary. Like all the cricketers who start with the gully cricket and move towards the pavilion, it is necessary. It is more like I'm getting comfortable with Excel and Orange. Then I had to really move to the corporate world. Most of the corporates, as of now, have some kind of cloud presence. So that's the next criteria we are choosing for the third tool. It must be cloud presence. It must be free. So in such cases, I suggest Azure ML, which is free for life.
Cloud being free, which is
yes, cloud is free. Amazon Cloud is free for 750 hours, and Cloud ML is free forever.
That's a great news. So whatever you are doing in Orange, you will be able to replicate, or is there something
that's
new
correct.
that
That's correct. Whatever you are learnt in Orange, you can replicate the entire thing in Azure ML without knowing even a single line of code. Your learning in Orange is maybe 10% more than what you are learnt in Excel, because already you are comfortable with Excel. 10% more in Orange, and without any much learning curve, maybe about 1%, 2%, you can move to Azure ML. So that's the reason we have selected these three tools. The progression is also like that. You start with the Excel, do something, especially in terms of data pre-processing and standardizing the data and putting in the standard format. So once that is done, move towards Orange, learn Orange, try to build couple of models. In fact, to give the 3 steps, the 3 models that I want you to master are the clustering or segmentation models, the prediction or classification models, the forecasting or time series models. If you learn these 3 models in Orange, the same 3 models can be replicated in Azure ML, and that gives you solid foundation for getting into your domain, adopting data science for your domain.
I think you have heard loud and clear from Dr. Sima that you don't have to fret over AI. You can master just by looking at maybe spending 10 hours per week on mastering these 3 tools. And I'm sure you will find it enjoyable, and you will bring great business value to the company that you are working with, also in your professional life. So thank you so much, Dr. Sima, for that insightful session. We hope you like this video. If you like it, please do comment down about your thoughts on this, or you have a better 3 tools, please let us know. We have a series of Orange sessions done by Dr. Sima, where he talks about those 3 areas that you can master: the profiling, the segmentation, as well as prediction part of it. So please go through the descriptions, and we are also putting certain resources on one single resource each for Excel, Orange, as well as Azure ML. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.